MedBerry Clinic's mission is to provide personalized, life-changing medical care. What that means in reality, we want to be there for our patients at all times. Quality care, same-day appointments, next-day appointments. So no more waiting 3 or 4 weeks to see your doctor. We'll see you tomorrow. As an emergency medicine doctor, I see patients where they've already had their heart attack and that stroke, and a lot of those issues can be prevented with good primary care and preventative medicine. Getting you in there for screenings, yearly visits, quarterly check-ins, and doing everything we can so that way your quality of life is good and we're preventing those serious events down the line. One of the toughest challenges to overcome is finding providers that exemplify the qualities that we're looking for. Respect for the patients, credentialed, making sure that they know their medicine. But a big one that we were looking for was compassionate. We want our providers to go in there and really care about their patients and be there for them, making them feel like part of the family. There are 2 milestones that come to mind that I'm proud of. One of them from kind of a business standpoint, and then one of them from a physician standpoint. First one was really just hitting that 1-year milestone. Looking at the calendar and thinking, wow, we made it a whole year operating as a clinic. The other big milestone that I'm very proud of was, I remember the first time that we had a patient come in with what we call like an undifferentiated complaint, meaning they didn't know what was going on really. Our practitioner was able to diagnose it and make a big impact in this patient's life. And so just knowing that we are actually out there making a difference was huge for me. Mr. Kui Kapu and I first met during the pandemic. He was working for a company doing COVID testing that my company did some contracting with. And he essentially was running the show over there and really just saw this guy show up every day, whether it was snowing outside or burning up outside, he was there. The big thing was if there was an issue and he didn't know the answer, he would go out and find it. And he was not afraid to admit when he needed help. And I think that's huge, being a lifelong learner, especially in the field of medicine. Admitting when you're wrong or admitting when you need help is difficult for everybody. And then as the pandemic wind down, we just made the decision to start MedBerry Clinic together, and it just felt natural and felt right. The future vision of MedBerry Clinic is to have clinics across Texas, multiple locations in every major city. I think that's important because one of the products, I guess you could say, that we offer is what we call direct primary care. Basically, it's access to a physician or to a clinic for a set price per month. You get unlimited visits with us, blood testing, preventative care, counseling, weight loss management. We have a big goal for the future. And I feel confident that with Kui's leadership, we'll be able to meet that goal.